Mira, mira cómo se para.
All right, well, I knew everybody wanted to get downtown right away, so I said, bring number 8 down here right away. So, that's my best song, huh? Last but not least, now's the time when I come out and say hello to everybody. I bring the gratuity basket with me, because I know that most everyone's stuck in line and can't come over here, so maybe he said come out to you. Hopefully as I pass, well, thank you, sweetheart. Thanks, man. Hopefully as I pass by, everyone tosses something in, but I hope that everybody likes the room, because we're going to come back.
I'd unravel every riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain.
With the thoughts you'd be thinking you could be another Lincoln if you only had a brain.
Oh, I tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could think of things I never thought before, and then I'd sit and think some more. I would not be just a nuffin', my head all full of stuffin', my heart all full of pain. I would dance and be merry, life would be a ding-a-dairy if I only had a brain.
Okay. All right.
There's Tyrone.
We'll go to the Lucky Dragon.
Elijah somewhere.
Say,
There's his head.
say ni hao mao.
Ni hao mao.
Say, even though that's Japanese, but that's all we know.
There's Betty. Oh. Hey, I think we know them over there. Yeah, we know.
Tried to swim against both me
Gang it up. Trying to
This
impose
is Brandy and Tyrone's little home over here. Tyrone hasn't been cleaning.
All right, after relax me.
Where are we going?
But these are about, you know, it's like, it's all off the film of paper, it's all off the kettle corn. We bought some last night, we used our coupons. Or the fries.
What is the text here? Is it 7.8?
I have no idea.
Estamos dando la vuelta ya enfrente de los juegos. Estamos sobre la Beach Street. Over. Ok, van a llegar ya donde pagan para el estacionamiento para la izquierda. Y aquí estamos todos en el estacionamiento. Over. Ya vamos a entrar. Over. Ok, over. Cambio fuera. Over and out. 10-4, over and out. No, you're tired?
Yeah, no, I'm not going on there.
Let's see. We don't crash into something.
You know what else there is? You know what else there is? It's your dad. To get your dad.
Hello.
I'm gonna hire one. Are you going to kids where you going to need it?
Might grab the whole food.
Try going to California State.
Yeah, yesterday. No, just half day. Yeah.
You're going there, yeah.
Hey, everybody.
1, 2, 3.